guest speaker, Mr. Levi Bolton. My name is Yomi Rezain Cantula Manito, the valedictorian of grade 6 Philippines. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, and I am thrilled to be standing on where I am now. As we all gather here, I am reminded of the countless memories that have led us to this moment. Our journey has been one of immense growth, learning, and transformation. As I tell my speech, I would love to give my greatest gratitude to our Father in heaven. He has given me the courage and strength to surpass this school year. He made me stand back up and face my composure when I thought I was falling down. He gave me the love and comfort I needed when I was at my lowest. God has truly played a big part in my life and in this school year. And when I needed physical comfort, He brought me my parents. My mom and dad gave me so much sacrifice, and I give them the biggest appreciation and love I have. To my mommy, and you, thank you for giving birth to me and for bringing me to this world. Thank you for putting up with my stubbornness. Thank you for comforting me throughout the years of my elementary days. And thank you for being with me. My appreciation goes out to my mother for taking care of me and for sacrificing so much to make me stand on this stage. To my daddy, although you can't attend to this day, your support and love is all I ask for. Marami po kayong ginawang sacrifices for me to be standing where I am now. I know na sobrang proud po kayo sa akin, and thank you po talaga. Words can't express how much I love my parents and how much I appreciate and thank them till this day. I couldn't have done it without them. To my Mama Yomi, I have so much things to apologize and thank you for. When I say I love you, I truly mean it. Thank you po for making our home a clean and safe environment for me to be in. Thank you for the delicious meals you set up on the table every day. I love you and I hope you can watch me grow up until I finish high school. I would love to appreciate the Loris Christian School Incorporation for making a safe environment for the students. The staff's worries and love for the students are always remembered. To my teachers, we all appreciate the love and patience you give us. I love you all equally and I respect all of your hard work and selfless respect. To our advisor, Ma'am Etta, salamat po talaga sa love and patience na binigay niyo po sa amin. Thank you po dahil hindi po kayo nagsawa sa mga pinagagawa namin. I want you to know that you have been the luckiest advisor this year and I couldn't ask for less. Kahit sobrang kulit pa ng grade 6 this school year, we all thank you for all the laughters and memories we shared. All the scoldings, the inside jokes, and love we shared will never be forgotten. To Ma'am Carol, my 7-year advisor, thank you po. It is 2 words, however, it means a lot. Nangatin po talaga yung confidence ko and made me the person I am today. Yung batang mahihain at ang palaging naiyak when it comes to studies became a girl who studied hard to achieve her goals. She became the person she turned off because of her teachings and lovely advice. You played such a big part, probably po sa self-esteem ko. Keep being the joyful and lovable teacher you are for mom. I love your parents, children, and those books. You are my second parent and I am sure you played a big part in others' lives. Keep enhancing other people's view and lives, Mom. Your teaching truly made me a good person. To my friends and other students, thank you for picking me as your friend. All of our memories will always stay in my heart, even when I have encountered new people. My appreciation also goes to the students who manage to interact with me, even if it isn't a lot. Thank you for talking to me and for taking your time to bond with me. I know that I am not the conversations, however, I hope all of you know how happy I am whenever you guys manage to make conversations with me. Thank you po kay Ate Shamet for her very funny remarks, kahit minsan ang party lang. You have been a very, very great friend, sana alam ko yan. We have grown closer this year and I am so glad that we did. The memories we shared will never be forgotten and I hope we can still keep in touch once I leave. My ates and kuyas, I wish you good luck. Marami pang dadaan ng pagsubok and I know na malalampasan niyo lahat yan. For now, magpahinga muna kayo and let go of things until you feel things. I wish you good luck on your studies and I wish you well as all of you go through different obstacles. To my classmates, ang tagal-tagal na natin magkasama na. Buti hindi na tayo nagsasawaan. Salamat sa mga tao, sa mga tampuhan and memories. We may not be allowed, however, the memories we made are meant. You guys are the bestest friend that will ever has one. I don't say this a lot and I probably won't ever say this again. But I love all of you. Yung mga kulitan natin, yung mga iyakan natin, yung mga sigaw natin will never be forgotten. All of our memories will always have a place in my heart. Kahit minsan nagtatampo ako sa inyo, all of you still find a way to make me laugh. My classmates will always be known me through their stuff. My classmates are my closest friends and they know me the most. my classmates are my siblings, especially sa closest friend ko sa classroom, si Leia. Ang dami natin pinagdaanan together I basically watched you grow up. I am so happy to become your best friend kahit minsan may misunderstandings tayo and tampuhan, we always find a way to return to each other. You completed a part of me I never knew was missing. We laughed, cried, and grew up together. Let us not forget each other. I hope you know how pretty and how lovable you are in my eyes. You are a being that made me happy and blessed. I know that I told you this many times before, pero I love you. As a sister and as a friend. Sa malalaman sa classroom ng grade 6, bawas-bawasan niya yung kalitan niya. I am glad that we all got so much closer this year. I am glad that my classmates gave me a chance to feel what having siblings are like. I thank my classmates every day for being a part of me that craves to be an ate and to be a sibling to someone. To all of my classmates, friends, students, I wish all of you the best. Continue being the person you are that means you me, and always remember that God is always with you. I hope all of you remember me because I sure do. Even in the little things that reminds you of me, we may cross paths again, and we may not. But I wish you all do. Always know that I am available whenever you need someone. I'll make time for all of you and I will listen. As my speech comes to an end, I would love to tell all of you that we are all a good person inside, and I believe in that. No matter how kulit, how crazy, or how sweet we are, we still have a light inside of us that takes time to show. I pray for us to heal in whatever we're going through, and I wish for us to be happy once we do. Let's continue.